This is Frank, and yeah, I've got my 1/26 scale Soviet Buran shuttle. I just like this design without the OMS pods in the back. I think it's a little cleaner looking, a little lighter. This is all built up from Buran. This has 2 layers of 6mm laminated together with 3M77 spray with the spars on the outside. The tail is 2 pieces of 6 with the spar on the inside. The formers are 9mm with spaced every so often with a about 1.5 inch tall spar going down the middle that are notched in to keep things nice and straight. The sides are 3mm that were pre-curved over a tabletop and then glued down. The nose was about 15 pieces of 9mm glued together and then shaped and sanded. I've installed a pusher motor down below where the normal rocket motor would go, and this is a 2836 2200 kV motor with an APC 6.4, 40 amp speed control, and a 2200 4-cell pack. The normal rocket motor mount, the wires and speed control go right up in that tube and sit in that tube, and I put a little Lexan handhold and skid on the bottom to help keep the prop off the ground when I land. And the normal battery bay is the same one I used for the rocket motor, but I pulled all the nose weight out, which is about 3 ounces, and battery fits in there in that little tray. So just run an Elevon control, and we'll give you a flight. It's about 5 feet long and weighs about 35 ounces, ready to fly. It's got plenty of power for hand launch. Headwind's only a mile or 2 an hour right now. So this is half throttle. Again, which is pretty good for this drag-in airframe. The motor's mounted low to allow it to get a little more air under the wing, since that big blocky flat fuselage blocks it, and I've set the motor so it sticks back quite far, again to help it get some airflow, and it needed that for CG. There's absolutely no nose weight in this thing. It just came out perfect with the battery in the nose. The battery's actually moved back a little bit, and the receiver and speed control are back toward the tail. And yeah, it flies nice with rocket motor, but it's a little draggy. It glides fine. But I just wanted to get some more flight time out of it, and this conversion seems to work real well. Get maybe 5.5 minutes. A couple of rolls, with the roll to the right. Pretty good roll rate, roll to the left. Pretty snappy roll rate actually. Let's do a loop. A nice tight loop. Let's roll inverted, see how inverted goes. That's still half throttle, so it doesn't need to do an outside loop. Doesn't like to complete the loop. Maybe without a headwind it might carry enough speed. Yeah. Yeah, with just a little Elevons and amount of wind we have, and not been able to get too much airspeed. Won't quite finish the outside loop, but that's okay. So now I'm about 60% throttle, which is a pretty good too good speed for this. And you don't really want your shuttle flying super fast. This particular motor is from Hobby King. It's the same one that they use in their ME-163 Comet, which is a little lighter than this model, but quite a bit sleeker. And it's designed to use that 6.4 prop, and I like that because it's a little smaller diameter and it puts your hand at less risk of getting bit when you hand launch, and it doesn't stick down quite as far when you land. Yeah, trying to get some. Handle's really, really nice. It's full span elevons with I think they're high-tech digital Metal Gear servos. 5065s, I think it's which are plenty of torque for this. Alright, commander right.